Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Photos and tapping the image you want to change. This is where intent becomes action. Once you tap Edit, you gain access to Crop, Filters, and Adjust tools. These are the building blocks for any change. You should check that your iPhone is updated so tools like portrait lighting and live photo edits work correctly. Now tap the adjustment icon to begin altering exposure and color. These first tweaks set the tone for all further edits. Now you refine the image. Crop to remove distractions and set composition, then adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation to correct mood and clarity. Once done, move to highlights and shadows to recover detail. Lowering highlights preserves bright areas while lifting shadows reveals texture. After that, apply a filter to shift color grading, but make sure to reduce filter intensity so the result looks natural. If you need precision, tap the Adjust. To finish, tap Done so edits save non-destructively. You can always revert to the original later if you change your mind. If you need smaller edits, duplicate the photo first and experiment on the copy because that protects your original. If something goes wrong, edits won't apply or tools are missing, force close photos, reopen it, and try again. Make sure your iOS is current. One key troubleshooting tip: if edits don't save, restart the iPhone and retry the edit workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.